Good morning. Welcome to my channel, my kittens. Now I am going to show you a good boy, Rambo. Hello, Rambo. Hello. He's in my friend's house. Now I think he's going to sleep. That is why he's so moody. Hello.
Rambow.
Rambo. Rambo, get up, Rambo. Rambo, get up. Rambo. Rambo, get up. Rambo. Rambo is not an obedient one. Look. Hello, Rambo. Rambo. Rambo, stand up, Rambo. Rambo, stand up. Rambo is going to bite me, Rambo. Yo, Rambo. Hello, Rambo. Hello. Good, Rambo. Good. Good boy. He's a nice boy. Hello, shake hand. Rambo, shake hand. Shake hand. Shake hand. You. He's he loves me very much. Rambo, give me shake hand. Give me shake hand, Rambo. Shake hand. Shake hand, Rambo. Rambo. Rambo, shake hand. Give me shake hand. Hey. Ram, he's playing with me. Rambo, shake hand. Shake hand. I will take shake hand forcefully. Hello, Rambo. Get up. Rambo. Rambo. Ayo. I think it is time for him to sleep. That is why he is so not gloomy. He wants to play with me. He is biting me. The first time I am seeing him, but he is very pet. Hello, Rambo. So bye. Next time I will show you more place of Rambo. So this is for the animal lovers. Keep on seeing my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.